Make $300 a day by this simple strategy and you don't even have to do the work? Sounds too good to be true? In this video, I'm gonna show you a quick strategy that you guys can use. But first, we gotta hit that intro. Hello, I came to America in 1993 looking for my American dream. After many years of working regular jobs, I realized this is not what I was looking for when I came to America. 2 years ago, I stumbled upon affiliate marketing and creating your online business. How am I gonna start a successful online business doing it part-time, and how I'm gonna apply everything that I learned and show others along the way. This is Carlos. Join me in my journey in Digital Marketpreneur channel. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet again to another video. This is Carlos from Digital Marketpreneur, the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, and the mindset. And if you're brand new to my channel, please hit that button that says subscribe. Also, hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them, so you can be up to date with all the strategies that I have for you guys to create your own business and quit your 9 to 5. Now, in this video, I'm gonna show you a very good strategy about emailing people, and actually you don't even have to do the work, and you can make up to $300 a day. So if you stay all the way until the end of this video, I will show you how all this actually works. So we're gonna jump into my computer. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna show you this quick strategy where you can make $300 a day by emailing companies. Now, the companies that you can email are gonna be local companies, and the strategy works this way. As you know, every company needs a website, and Google, what they do is every now and then they'll do algorithm change, and it also happen in all social media. And as I tell you guys, we don't own these platforms, but we have to be smart about the way we do things. And a lot of local businesses don't have the time for these things, right? This is where we come in. This is where you have to take action, and this is where you can actually do this from home. So what you need to do is, as you can see, Google Chrome to identify and label slow websites. I have a website and it's super slow because there's a lot of stuff that actually websites do not need. And there's plugins and there's pictures and there's ways that your website can be super slow at loading. Now, I don't know about you, but you know, if you are on your phone, if you are on your actual desktop, and you go and start searching online, you find a website, you click on that button and it's not loading, then you just X out and then you go to the next one. And that can cost a lot of companies to lose money, because you need the fastest websites, you need the fastest response to everybody that's searching online. So as you can see, this is one of the reports from Google, and you can go to this website, techcrunch.com, and they released these on November 11th, 2019. And what Google is doing is they are actually flagging some of these websites. So you're trying to load this up, and this is the message that you are gonna see. Usually loads very slow. Now what happens is, that's gonna be one of the things that Google is gonna flag these websites. Not only they're gonna lose business, but they're gonna start getting pushed in the rankings all the way back to the back pages of Google. And you wanna be somewhere in the top 3, because that's the one people check the most, because they're the most up-to-date websites. And you're probably asking yourself, well, okay, Carlos, this sounds great, but how that helps me to help these people? Well, this is what you are going to do, since you know exactly how this works. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the developers in Google, and you're gonna click page speed inside on Google. So one of the simple strategies, you go to Google, because obviously Google's giving you the tools, and you're gonna enter dentist in New Jersey. Okay, this is where I live. So I'm gonna look, and you know, like the first page is usually very good websites. I've run a couple tests and they were actually pretty good. So you want to go to the second or third, And I actually did this myself, and I'm gonna show you the one that I actually tested. And this one says family dental office in White House. So you click on that, right, and you're gonna take a look. And this is a little bit of the work that you gotta do. This is not just an automatic thing. You gotta remember, you have to do a little bit of the work, but I'm gonna show you how you don't have to do most of the work. It's very simple. So you gotta look at the website. It looks pretty good. Loads up times okay. And let's see what else we got here. Very clean. Patient testimonials, gives you the location. They got the Google Maps. And you are gonna take this link, right? You're gonna copy it, and then you are going to go to site speed, and you're going to the page speed inside. You are gonna take this and you're gonna paste it, and then you're gonna analyze, right? That's very simple. It's not that hard, right? You see it, not that complicated. It's working. And then as you can see, it's analyzing 73%, 74%. And and this is where it gets easy, because all you do is you Google. And guys, this doesn't have to be a very specific niche. You can do any of them. Now, this is where you can see their website is not very good at mobile, but then you can go and check on desktop. It's still 58. Now, you see right here, the field data, it's 49. It's red and it's pretty bad. 58 to 89, it's pretty bad. But you want to be in the green, the 90 to 100, okay? And the beauty of it is you get the full report. You're gonna get how to reduce the problems, and this is time the first byte identifies time at which your server sends a response. Teams, plugins, and server specifications all contribute to server response time. Consider finding a more optimized theme. So the theme that the website that we were trying was not very fast to load up. So that's slow, and it's 7.42 seconds. Then you got eliminate render blocking resources. This is for the desktop. But if you go into the mobile, see, it's 1.88, and then for a fact that if you're in your phone and it does not load right away, you are gonna get out of there. And you're gonna look for the next one. Third-party code block the main thread for 1,910 milliseconds. So as you can see right here, the report is on full. You're gonna take this report, and what you're gonna do is you are gonna save the report. So as you can see, you go back to the website and you look for the information. They have a phone number. So if you guys don't want to call, then try to email them. Right, you want to do that, and what you can say in the email is something as simple as, hey, one of my friends was trying to look for a dentist and was looking for a local dentist. Click on your website in the mobile device that he has in his cell phone, and it load up really slow. He mentioned that to me, and I decided to go and look it up, and I noticed that your website, it's pretty slow at loading up. And if you're more interested to know why are those reasons and how can I help you, then I would like to forward you a report, right? So then you just take that report that you just got from PageSpeed and you say, I did this on Google, and that's what I do to help local business not lose clientele. So you kind of have to think a little bit of how want to position yourself in front of these businesses. You're probably gonna say, well, thinking to yourself, well, they're gonna ask me, what do I know about this, or what's the name of my agency, and you just tell them, you know what, I just want to do this because I'm starting my online business, and I can help you do this. And as I say before, when you're first getting started in online business, you want to do a few things for free. So you can just tell them, I can help you do this, right? And for a small fee, I can help you optimize your website. I'll send you the info. And once you get a couple more of once you can start getting your portfolio with more local businesses, maybe a couple, 3 or 4, you can start charging the $300. But to get started, you can say, for $100, I can actually help you get your website optimized, and they don't have time. So think about it, $100 for these companies is nothing really. So the first thing is how you go about with the email, and this works worldwide, guys. This is not something that is just in the US, just in Canada. It doesn't matter where you are, everybody needs a website. And we talked about this before, because any other social media outlets, you are gonna need a website for people to know where all your information is. So you gotta do that, and I'm gonna show you places where you can actually get the work done, because you're probably asking yourself, Carlos, I don't know how to do any of this. I'm not an expert on websites either, but I know all these tools exist, and I always come across by seeing some other people's videos, and actually come up with like, oh, you know what, I need to analyze this for my own website. And I'm gonna show you my own website. It's terrible. So if somebody offers me to speed it up for me because I don't have the time, I will say, hey, for $100, absolutely, I want to be in the first page of Google. So let's go to fitness plus attitude. Oops. Fitness. Wow. Alright, so this is my website right here. Let's go in, and I'm gonna take this, copy, page speed, and let's gonna take this out. We are gonna paste it and analyze my own website. Let's see what we got. So let's say some of you have websites like that, and you see it and you go, oh, you know what, I can help you optimize this. And look at that, 31% in mobile is terrible, guys, terrible. And first let's see, speed index 9.3 seconds. That's not even I got unused CSS. Let's see, third party code block, the main thread for 3,220 milliseconds. That's a lot, guys. So as you can see, let's go on desktop. Desktop is 81, so I want to be in the 90 to 100. So a lot of these local companies want to be on that because they want more business, they want more leads. So you're helping them, and you got to remember, you're sending them an actual Google document, and where they have their website and where is the number one ranked place that everybody wants to be, in Google. Now, I told you I'm gonna show you how you guys can do this without actually doing the work. Let's say you charge them to start $100. You're gonna go to a website that is called Legit with 2 I's, and you're gonna enter site speed. As you can see, I want to do this quick for you guys, so I don't even have to go and Google the whole thing. And as you can see, these people are charging $39. This developer is charging $30. This one's charging $39.99, and they do all this work for them. WordPress punch out, WordPress speed optimization. So you can go and take a look at the ones that have the best reviews, because if they're your first customers, you want to give them excellent work. Now you can also go to Fiverr, which is one of the websites that everybody knows, where you can find freelancers for that. This one's charging $60, 50, 25, 20. Like I say, when you guys are getting started first, I will actually pay a little extra, because you want the customer to be happy. You don't want to give him a service that sucks. So you can also go to Upwork, which is another freelancer website, and you also find people like WordPress developers, speed optimization, $50, $80 an hour. So you want to see those rates. But I will say you can go to this one, check the reviews, and this is how you guys can get started this business for helping people. And then they're probably gonna ask you, well, what else can you do? Then you go and you do ads for them. How can you get more leads? Maybe you can know the funnels. You can tell them, well, I can create a funnel so you can get people when they come to your website, uh, get more leads and more quality leads with a funnel, and you actually help them sign up with ClickFunnels. So this is just a starting point, guys. This is for you guys to take action if you really want to start making money online and working from home. Think about this. You can do this process in half an hour. You have the report in what, 3 minutes? And all you gotta do is you email that person. So once you reach out to these people with emailing, I don't know about you, but I'm not one that I likes to walk into a place. Email is more personal. You tell them, you know what, my type of business is to help small businesses and local businesses rank higher in Google so people can find you. And you realize that I was running a test in your website, and your website runs really slow, and I want to help you, get higher speeds so people can load your website, especially mobile, because everybody's on their phone. So you want to kind of go in that direction with your emails, where you tell them, you got to understand that a lot of people are on their mobile devices, whether it's tablets, whether they're phones, and your website is not loading at the speed that Google wants. So you will get flagged, and your website is gonna start ranking lower and lower and lower in the Google rankings. And you can actually print out this for them, or send this link in the email. I want you to read this blog post, and I want you to see, this is what I found on your website, and I want to help you for X, and then you can guys kind of close it out through email. So as you can see, this is a very simple strategy, guys. It's just a matter of you guys putting in the work. Google is giving you literally everything, and you can actually outsource this if you guys don't know how to do it. And then you can take the report, right? And you read the report, and if you don't know what this means, you can also Google it, because Google is telling you what are the problems, and then you send this report to the person. They do a good work for you, and they fix their website for you. And you, at the beginning, might not make big profits, but you need to get started. Once you get started, then maybe your third, fourth, fifth client is all gonna be profit, and you already have a report with this person that can do that specific work for you, and you already know their rates. So guys, I hope that this helped you. I hope that you guys take action, because this is the idea. And if you want to implement this and eventually want to create an even bigger business, maybe this can be your calling, maybe this can be your full-time job, starting with $100, but you can start charging $300 a day. Think about, you make 5 reports a day, and then you get 3 responses. That's $900 that you can do in a day. And then out of the $900, you're spending maybe $150 to send it to this person, fix the website, and then you analyze after. And this is the one thing that I want to tell you guys. Once you get that person to do that fix for you, once they fix that problem for that website, you want to go back to page speed, re-enter it, and make sure you compare both of the reports so you see the improvements on their website. So with that being said, I hope that you like this. I hope that you go for it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that button that says subscribe. Also hit the notification button and the bell notification button. And with that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video.